welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about BG45. I probably say this every week, but I don't use this one very often. I guess I have my favorites and then I use those. But now with this series, I get to experiment with others. And of course, you can see my experiments in the Undercover series from Vanilla Arts. I usually make a combination that matches with this so you can have more resources for your markers. And the family combination is pretty green because BG45, there's nothing under that one. So we had to go to BG34. So it is more of a green than a blue combination. Now when I did the bonus combination, I wanted a more elegant BG. So we went with the BG72. That is one of my favorites. I'm Elena with VioletaInk.com, and we sell Copic refills, markers, and nibs. We also sell Prismacolor pencils, open stock. Thank you. We are starting with BG45. On top of it is going to be BG34. Now it changes the color a little bit because BG45 is bluer, but this is the only family members I could find. There's no lower BG40s, so this was it. We are underpainting with YR82. Seems odd being such different colors, but remember we are desaturating. This is BG45 on top. We need to make sure that it is completely covered. On top of it, we're going with BG34. It has to go on top of BG45 and a little bit more. And this is BG32, the one that we're going to go the slowest with. Now we're going to do the bonus combination. I think it looks more serious. I don't know, I couldn't come up with another word, but it seems serious to me. So it's YR82, BG45. Now on top of it, we're going to jump all the way to BG72. You see how it looks more serious? And then we're going to go with BG70. It is very, very light blue-green. Just give it a little bit and it will blend together. Now, for the Prismacolor pencil match, I like both. PC905 is aquamarine, and I just think it's a stronger like aqua. I'm doing the staining test and it doesn't move much though. So PC905 is aquamarine, and if you can see, if you have a very light touch, I guess you can use this one. I like it, especially if you're gonna use it underpainted. It works. I like it. It works. And I think it has a little bit more white on it than light aqua. Now this is PC992 light aqua. And as you can see, this one matches exactly. I don't think I have found another matte combination that matches this well. This is like perfect. Yeah. PC902 light aqua will be my choice. Now we're gonna color the two wings, the four wings, but two wings on top are going to be not underpainted. So this is BG45. We're flicking away from the fence or the edge. On top of it, we're going with BG34. A little bit slower. I think thicker flicks. Yeah, I'll say thicker flicks. And then BG32. This is gonna be the slowest and the thickest or about the same as the medium one, as the BG34. Now, the little butterfly you see on the top left, it is from Copic in the craft room, and it is for sale. You can go, I'll put a link on the description box. These are the butterflies that I'm using every week to make the graphics and let you know that we are using these colors. And this is the underpainted part. We're underpainted with YR82. On top of it, BG45. On both sides, we need to cover YR82 completely. And then on top of it, we're going with BG34. And we're using BG32. That's just gonna blend everything together. Now the bonus combination. We are using not underpainted on top, which is BG45. Flicking away from there. Look at the speed. This is the fastest we're going. And then BG72 is gonna be a little bit slower and thicker flicks. BG70 is gonna be the slowest. And even though BG72 and BG70 are so close together, they're very different. I am trying for it to blend. I know I could eventually make it blend, but I don't want to use so much colorless blender. And I'm going on top of it again with BG72 because I am trying to make a blend. Don't do that. Do it once. I never color twice. Why is it that I did that? No idea. Sorry, Amy. Anyway, this is YR82. We are underpainting the bottom wing. On top of it is BG45. It has to cover it completely. And then we're using BG72 on top of it. Okay, I do see it's blending the one on top. But I don't go twice over the same spot. And this is BG70 on top of it. That's what we're gonna end our blend with. Yeah, I guess it is blending. So this is all about BG45. BG45, BG34, and BG32 is the natural family combination. Underpainting with YR82, and the bonus combination is BG45, BG72, and BG70. Thank you, and we will see you next week. Bye.